And that is, what are the risks, of staying in day one CPT programs until we get our H1B?
Yeah, so one of the ways that I said we could um, continue to work in the US if you don't get picked in the lottery or if your H1B cap is denied was that taking CPT, OPT or CPT. CPT is curricular practical training, which you're allowed to take with the permission of the school by showing that it is, there are two reasons for CPT, either hardship reason, financially you need to do it, or you have to show that it is related to your curriculum. And day one CPT is basically taking CPT on the first day of joining your program. USCIS has often questioned it, why you need to do, you need to, your school needs you to do a CPT on the day that you join. How is it that before you've actually learned, uh, the academic part of it, that you actually have to have work experience in those subjects that you've learned? It doesn't seem to make sense, right? So USCIS will often question the day one CPT. So we do get RFEs, requests for further evidence, and this usually happens when eventually when you file for a H1, we do get RFEs for the maintenance of status when you change from F1 to H1 to show that you maintain your F1 status. And usually they will ask questions such as, show us why the school required you to do a day one CPT. Show us what is the relationship between the work that you're doing and the courses that you're taking. So usually if the school has an executive program where, the work and study goes hand in hand and starts from day one because that's the nature of the program, and if the school is able to explain that and convince USCIS of it, then usually these H1s are approved. With reference to how long, we're just talking about the risks, but with reference to how long can you be on a day one CPT, that depends on however long your school requires you to be on it and the duration
Mhm.
of your study at that school. Sometimes USCIS has said that if you run a CPT, then you may not qualify for OPT. That you've used up your OPT time. They've said that on and off in some instances, but they don't seem to be saying that in every instance. But that's definitely something to keep in mind.
Okay. Thank you so much for that, Prashant.
Don't forget to subscribe to our videos if you like what you see. Also, give us a thumbs up and share the video with your family and friends. Thank you.